The engine is composed for the block, and the block have the pistons, and the pistons are moving up and down because the crankshaft is rotating. That's clear. That's the block. And the block is heavy because the block support the explosion. In the moment of the explosion, the block contains the explosion inside of that area. On top of the block, you have the head. And the head is basically a cover, metallic cover, that encloses the top of the piston. When the piston is at the end of top the center, create that area. What is the name of that small area when the piston is in top the center? The combustion chamber. The volume of the combustion chamber is that small pocket. In the head, per each cylinder, you have an intake valve and exhaust valve. The intake valve allow what? The intrusion of air in a diesel engine, or the intrusion of air and fuel in a gasoline engine. And what about the exhaust valve? The exhaust valve allows that the gases goes out. That's it. And we have in the middle, in between both valves, we have in the middle, we have intake and exhaust, intake and exhaust, intake and exhaust. We have the injector located normally in the middle between both valves. The injector is over there. When the injector is located over there in the middle, the system is a direct fuel injection, because the injection is directly over there in the combustion chamber. If the injector is in the intake manifold, is indirect fuel injection. If the mixture of gasoline and air is here in the carburetor, it's a carbureted engine. All right. You know what is the difference between 4 strokes and 2 strokes? What is the meaning of 4 strokes? 4 movements, 4 vertical movement, 1, 2, 3, and 4 in one complete cycle. Correct. What is the name? What are the names of those strokes? Intake, compression, power, and exhaust, or potential and exhaust. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Intake, compression, power, and exhaust. 4 strokes. For movement of the piston. Pam, 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 pam. It's 4 times. Be careful, because some students in the past, they respond, oh, 4 cycle is because it's 4 cylinders. No. No, it's not because the number of cylinders. It's because the number of movements of the piston going up and down. When the piston is on top, it's in top the center. When it's in the bottom, it's in bottom the center. No? This is the distance. What is the name of that distance? A stroke. And what is the technical name of the diameter of the cylinder? The bore. Let me refresh quickly the 4 strokes, because I want to be clear with that, because I am going to explain what is the enemy of the marine engines, generators or regular engines. What is the enemy of those engines? Salt water. If the salt water enters in the combustion chamber, what happens? Hydro-lock. What is the meaning of hydro-lock? If a little amount of salt water, like this, enter in the combustion chamber in the moment of the explosion, what happens? The metal of the piston, the aluminum, expands twice in comparison with the metal of the cylinder steel. And what happens if this piston expands twice, like this? It's locked. This is why it's hydro-lock.